What's up, MotherFishers? Welcome back for day 2 of fishing every day until I have 10,000 followers or I get sponsored by Bass Pro Shops. There's only one rule to my challenge, and that's before I catch, I gotta clean. Let's go. All right, MotherFishers, now that we clean, let's see if we can catch. Got one. Knew he was gonna go for it. Ooh, decent one to start. Nice. Good fish. Let's go. Good start, baby. Decent fish. Thank you, buddy. Let's go. Thank you, Stink. Let's go. Another one on the day. Thank you, Stink. Yo. Alright, MotherFishers, that's it for day 2. Hope to see you guys back again tomorrow for day 3. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. See ya.